I recently had the opportunity to test the Sterilite 064180006 Ultra Sink Set, a practical and efficient addition to any kitchen. This dish drainer by Sterilite is crafted from durable plastic, ensuring longevity and reliability. The product dimensions, at 6 inches in depth, 14.63 inches in width, and 21 inches in height, make it a versatile choice for various sink sizes. The Sterilite Ultra Sink Set, in a crisp white color, adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. With a light weight of only 2.83 pounds, this product is easy to handle and move around as needed. The sink-mounted design maximizes space utilization, making it ideal for kitchens with limited countertop space. I found the Sterilite 064180006 Ultra Sink Set to be a practical solution for drying dishes efficiently. Its sturdy construction can accommodate dishes of various sizes without any concerns. The design allows for adequate drainage, keeping your countertop dry and clean.
The Chef in Plastic 401-281-004 Dish Garden Dish Rack is a well-designed product that caters to those seeking a reliable and efficient dish storage solution. Crafted from durable plastic, this dish rack combines practical functionality with a sleek design to enhance any kitchen space. With product dimensions of 6.5 inches in diameter, 13.25 inches in width, and 14 inches in height, the Chef in Dish Garden offers ample space for drying dishes while being compact enough to fit seamlessly on your countertop. The white and green color scheme adds a refreshing touch to your kitchen decor, blending well with various styles. As a product created by the reputable brand Chef in, known for its innovative kitchen tools, you can trust in the quality and durability of this dish rack. The Chef in Dish Garden is specifically designed for dishware, making it ideal for everyday use in homes, apartments, or even dorm rooms. The countertop mounting type ensures ease of use and accessibility.
This Joseph Duo Expandable Dish Drying Rack is a well-designed and functional addition to any kitchen. With dimensions of 14.49 inches in diameter, 13.39 inches in width, and 5.71 inches in height, this two-tier rack provides ample space for drying dishes efficiently. Crafted by the reputable brand Joseph, known for its innovative kitchen products, this dish rack comes in a sleek gray color that complements various kitchen decors. The mounting type of this rack is designed to fit over the sink, making it a space-saving solution for smaller kitchens. Weighing only 1.99 pounds, this dish drying rack is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to move around as needed. One of its standout features is its expandable design, allowing you to adjust the rack based on the number of dishes to be dried. Overall, the Joseph Duo Expandable Dish Drying Rack offers a practical and stylish solution for drying dishes efficiently. Its durable construction, thoughtful design.
The Yamazaki Home Magnetic Spice Storage Rack. Organizer for fridge is a stylish and practical solution for organizing your spices in the kitchen. Made of high-quality alloy steel, this storage rack is not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your refrigerator. The white color blends seamlessly with most fridge interiors, creating a clean and sleek look. One standout feature of this product is its lightweight design, making it easy to install and move around as needed. The compact dimensions of 4.33 D into 9.65 W into 3.35 H allow it to fit perfectly on the fridge wall without taking up too much space. Its floating shelf design adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor while keeping your spices within easy reach. Overall, the Yamazaki Home Magnetic Spice Storage Rack Organizer for fridge is a practical and stylish solution for anyone looking to declutter their spice collection. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just looking to keep your kitchen organized, this storage rack.
The Better Houseware Hash 1489/E1489 Large Folding Dish Rack is a well-designed and practical solution for air drying your dishes. Crafted from durable steel, this dish rack ensures long-lasting performance. With product dimensions of 12.25D into 18W into 10.75H, it offers ample space for drying a variety of dishware efficiently. The sleek black color of this dish rack adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Its countertop mount design makes it easy to set up and use, requiring no complex installation. Weighing only 3.1 pounds, this dish rack is lightweight and portable, allowing you to move it around as needed. One of the standout features of the Better Houseware dish rack is its alcohol-free composition, making it safe to use for drying all types of dishware. Whether you have fragile glassware or sturdy dinner plates, this dish rack provides a secure and stable drying surface. Overall, the Better Houseware Hash 1489/E 1489 large folding dish rack combines functionality with style.